Hello guys, this is Indian Medico and in this video we are going to see about antitussives. This is a concise presentation for medical students. Antitussives are drugs used in the treatment of cough. Tussives means relating to cough. Antitussives means preventing cough. Antitussives inhibit cough reflex by suppressing cough center in medulla. They are useful in the symptomatic treatment of dry unproductive cough. It is important to remember that antitussives are contraindicated in children less than 1 year of age. Now let us see about a few examples of antitussives. Codeine, folcodeine, noscapine, dextromethorphan, antihistamines like diphenhydramine and prenoxidazine are examples for antitussives. Now let us see about codeine in detail. Codeine is an opiate, so it can cause drowsiness and constipation. However, it has only mild analgesic and less addictive properties when compared to morphine. Codeine is contraindicated in asthmatics and in children. Now let us see about another antitussive, that is dextromethorphan. Dextromethorphan doesn't have analgesic property. It does not cause constipation or addiction. However, it can cause sedation and hallucinations. When dextromethorphan is used, the mucociliary function in respiratory passages is not affected. If you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comment section. For more such videos, please check out my playlists. Thank you.